Hi, I'm Gary Nutskin. I'm an attorney with Credit Repair Lawyers of America. We're the muscle for credit repair companies around the country. When you can't get something off the credit report the nice way, we do it the hard way with litigation. I created this website to help you as a credit repair professional get into the business. I want to see you practice ethically and in compliance with the law. I also want to see you make a pile of money along the way. In fact, in my experience, practicing ethically and making money go hand in hand. I've seen too many instances where people get tempted to do the wrong thing and make a lot of money in a short period of time. Unfortunately, they usually get caught by the FTC and get slapped for fines for hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars. I'm here to help you avoid becoming an FTC or a CFPB target. I was an FTC target and it wasn't fun. P.S. I beat them because they were in the wrong. Still, it's no fun. On this site, I want to tell you about the laws you need to know, the best practices for achieving success, and tips that will save you a lot of pain along the way. This industry has been very good to me. I'm saddened that it has such a poor reputation due to a few bad actors. With this website, I plan to help change that. I want to help people who are coming into the industry to learn the right way to practice and to do things compliantly. My staff and I are here to answer your questions for free. You can call or email us anytime. If you have any questions about a case you have or a practice issue, I love to talk about all things credit. I want to be a resource for you. Call me, let us help you. Of course, if you have a case to refer to us, I would gratefully accept that as well. I'm attorney Gary Nutskin, and I want to be your muscle in this industry. I look forward to talking with you. Thank you.